Okay, now at the second floor. The window, nothing's changed here. Okay, that's our roof. There, window, you can't see the color. That one is our roof. So that one, yung pinagputulan ng roof. Look, it's already with insulation. So that's the roof. It's not yet finished. Look, they're still in the process of putting that one. And this is your room. Okay. This, they're preparing that one. That is the beam. So that magiging continue yung slab natin. So there. Ibabaon doon tomorrow yung mga welding na lang daw yung mga C-parlings doon. Okay. So the white one, that one, that's the insulation. They putting over the roof. Okay. So now we go to your master's toilet. Look. Magkakada na yung walls. Magkakada na. This is your CR. Okay. CR. And here is your tub. And then master's closet. So kapapalitan. Yung part na yun hindi pa napapalitan. Here is what I'm showing you. Napakinis na yung floor. David's room. There. This is David's room. Okay. That one. Behind is the place where we will put the what's this? The place where will they put the wall fan. So this is the maid's room. Napakinis na rin yung flooring. Okay, so that is where the wall fan. Okay. Dito sa'yo, ayan, nabutas na yung master's. That's another wall pan there. That is the back. You will see a long view of the roof so that you will see the style. Misa.
Condominium na yan, oh.
Duplex po yan, hindi yan single. So there.